Okay, what's up guys? I have finally figured it out. I have finally figured out how to change the thumbnail to whatever you want on YouTube Shorts. There's been a lot of videos out there saying like, oh, you can just do it from your phone. And there's other ways like that say to do it, but really it doesn't work because even if you choose your thumbnail, it doesn't show up on the YouTube Shorts shelf, right? It just shows up like on your homepage. What I'm about to show you is how to actually change it. Yes, actually change it to what people see on the Shorts shelf. You can choose whatever you want, make it whatever you want. The only drawback is that unlike long format videos where you can make a thumbnail and put it on there and that thumbnail doesn't even have to be in the video, unfortunately, as of now, this one has to be in the video, but this is the only way, at least that I know, that I have found to make your own thumbnail. So how to change your thumbnail is pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to take your video that you have, your short, and you want to upload it to YouTube. Well, don't upload it. You want to go through the process of uploading it, and while it's checking through everything, eventually you will see on the screen, it will pop up which thumbnail it's going to pick. If you like it, go ahead and upload it. If you like the frame that is selected from your video. If you do not like it, here's what we're going to do. So all I did to change that was selected the photo that I wanted. Let me mute this so this is not playing, but I selected the photo that I wanted, which again was this traditional clickbaity photo that you see Mr. Beast use all the time. And I replaced that with the, if I can get this out of here. Yeah, this boring black and white photo of Mozart playing the piano. Took that, replaced it with this, which is a little more attention grabbing. It all, just grabs attention a little bit better. And as you can see, if I go back to my YouTube channel after selecting that video, and you can see here that the video performed much, much better. I mean, it didn't do fantastic. It didn't blow up or anything crazy. But if we compare this, right, to, where is it at? Where's the original? Right here. If we compare that to these analytics right here, 1 like, 14 views. I don't know where those came from, but as you can see in the first day, it was literally just 0 views, but obviously it's a big difference, right? And I truly believe that all that came down to just changing this thumbnail right here. So all we got to do now is export this, post it over to YouTube, and you will see that now this will be our photo. Okay, so now we are back. I am uploading the video again, and as you can see, it is the photo that I had selected previously, that little clickbaity, mouth wide open photo. It's the one I picked. So this is proof right now that you can choose your shorts thumbnail. You just either, if your video is about a minute long, as of now, you go to 26 seconds, change that photo to whatever you want, or you go to upload it, you see the photo, you like it, upload it, you don't like it, go back into your editing software, change the photo to whatever you want, and then go back and it will be that same photo. As of now, once again, this could change, but so far what I've been noticing is that YouTube, if you upload the same video, as long as you didn't change the length, it will choose the same frame, or at least the same time stamp. It will choose the same time stamp in that video each and every time. As long as, again, you didn't change the length or anything crazy like that, it will be the same one every single time, and you can just constantly change it. You can experiment with multiple ones. So that's how you do it, guys. As far as I know today, that is the only way that you can basically change and customize your shorts thumbnail to what people will actually see when scrolling through YouTube, not just what you will see or people will see on your own YouTube channel page. This is what everybody will see when they're scrolling through YouTube. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll catch you guys next time. And do not forget to get better every single day. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.